Hi loves, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we are going to be making assorted smoked dry fish lice soup that is tasty and you will love it. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below for easy access as always. And here are all my ingredients. I have my fish, my bar, all smoked, red snapper smoked, salted tilapia, dry herrings, crab, mushroom. I have my tomato, carrot, onion, and my spices that I'll be blending and add to the soup. I'm going to start my soup base with the fish. Some of my fish is quite dry, so I'm going to add everything in the pot already washed. I added some chopped onion, my herrings, and my salted tilapia. To that, I'll add my vegetables. You can also boil your vegetables separately if you don't want your fish to be broken or to be too mushy. I like it when they are a little broken and making the soup all soupy and thick. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer, and I'll add some tomato paste. After adding the tomato paste, I'm going to add some habanero pepper. It depends on how much heat you want in your soup. You can add more and you can add less at any time. So I'm going to give it a quick stir and let them soften a little bit, after which I'm going to take them out and I'll be blending this into a smooth paste or soup and add it to the soup. It's super smooth, so I'm just going to add this directly to the soup so we get all the benefits from all the vegetables nutritionally. At this point, I'm going to rinse my blender bowl and add the water to it. And the amount of water you add to your soup depends on how thick or thin you would like your soup to be. So I'm adding enough water to how thick I want my soup to be. I'll give it a stir and I will be allowing it to boil. At this point, I added a little bit of tomato paste, and now I'm adding my blended spices, ginger, garlic, anise seed, grain of Selim, and also some black pepper. I added enough to my taste, and you can add any ingredient of your choice. You can add less, you can omit some of them or add more. It all depends on what you want. Our soup has been cooking for a while now, and you notice the foam has started turning into soup itself and everything is coming together nicely, which is an indicator the soup is almost done. I added some crabs. I'll add my mushrooms now and I'll stir everything together. I will be adding some chopped onion for that final aromatic flavor to the soup, and also some salt. I'm going to add my salt to my taste, so please do add your salt to your taste. And at this point, you can add your okra, eggplants, any other vegetable that you would like to add to the soup. And I will let it simmer for about 10 minutes. I'm adding only my okra. And let it simmer for 10 minutes and our soup will be ready to be served. Our soup is looking so good. It smells so good in here. It smells like my mommy's kitchen. Back in the days, she likes to make this type of soup. And it's so comforting and it's so healing. And I love it so much. Once the soup is done, you can serve it with any food of your choice. It goes well with some banku, some fufu, some ewokle, some rice, and you can also just serve it and eat it by itself as a bowl of soup. That will be amazing as well. And I served mine with some fufu. That was so good, and I'll share that recipe with you soon. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this simple recipe, and also subscribe for more videos in the future. And I will see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching this video throughout to the end. Bye.